Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm excited to talk about this awesome LED programmable matrix flexible sign from a company called VDIKKS, VDIKKS. And yeah, this is a super cool sign. You can see I've got my little logo, Hollywood Frodo, going right now. And this thing is just so customizable and so many things you can do. You can see it's pretty long, so it's got a lot of space for having a single word like I have now. But of course, you can scroll things, you can have things pop up, you can do all kinds of different things. I'm going to demo all of that for you while I'm talking about the sign and all the features that it has. Now, you can use this in a car, either in your front window or even in your back window. It does come with the plug-in that you can plug into your car, into the little cigarette lighter thing with USB, so that you can power it that way. But you can also use it in a store, you can use it in an office, you can use it at home for holiday decoration, and you can plug that into any USB power source to power it. So really easy to put it where you want to. It also has a really long cord to make it easy to get power to the sign from wherever your power supply is. So that's really great. Now, it is a flexible sign, so you can see, besides having it flat, if you needed it to go around a corner, you can have it go around a corner. You can bend it so that it works for wherever you're putting it, which is really, really cool. And just what makes it so unique, though, is the fact that you can do so many things with it, as you are going to see. So let's talk about that. First of all, obviously you can customize text, so you can do custom text. Now, what's cool is you can have the text be bold, you can have the text be italicized, and you can download several different fonts so that you can make sure it has the look that you want, because with certain words, certain text fonts obviously look better than others. This has multiple fonts and multiple font sizes as well to make it a smaller or bigger, which is really, really cool. Then you can customize the colors of the text. Each letter can be whatever color you want it to be, which is really awesome. Or they have built-in automatic sort of rainbow colors that give it different colors, which is great. Now, besides being able to customize the text itself, you can change the animation. So you can have it scroll right, scroll left, scroll up, scroll down. You can have it do a snowflake, which we're doing now. There's like a laser effect you can have. So lots of different effects. So super, super cool. Now, besides that, you've got some really cool built-in graphics. Now, unfortunately, there's not a lot of holiday graphics. And these are user-submitted graphics. So these are things that users have submitted, created and submitted, and you can then download it and apply it to your sign. Not a lot of holiday stuff. But you can see a lot of really cool graphics and effects that you can use, animated or static effects, and so it's great that it has that. But if there's something you want that it doesn't have, and if you're the creative type and you've got the time, you can create your own. You can create your own called graffiti, and that means just your own static image, or you can do your own animation, which is really cool, where you can create multiple different scenes and then combine them together to form an animation. And so you can do that as well. But what's also really cool is this has the ability to take a photo, a picture, and then translate it to the dot matrix. And that's a really, really cool feature, as you can see. Now, obviously, for that to work, it's got to be something that's long and skinny. Your standard picture isn't going to work. And also, you want something that has a lot of contrast. So, for example, I took the one of the kind of logos of the Ioniq 5, which is the new car I got, that shows the headlights in the front lighting effect, and when I did that, it worked great. I took the photo, put it in here, and you've got that image on this sign, which is really, really cool. And then also did the Ioniq 5, the text of the Ioniq 5 logo, which is like a blue text. I did that, and it worked great as well. Really anything, as long as it has great contrast and fits the size. Obviously, if you're using a regular photo, you're just going to be taking a sliver of the length of that photo. So you got to make sure something that works. But you can take that photo and translate it directly to this. So that's great. I love the material that this is made of as well. It's this nice soft material. You don't see, all you see is, besides the black, is the actual LEDs. You don't see anything else. It's just nice, soft, perfect for displays. And then they also include in the box these great little adhesive 3M adhesives that you can use to stick this on something. So if you want to stick it to a window, or your car window or something, you can use it for that as well. It gets really bright, easy to see, both in daylight or at night. You can dim it, make it dimmer or brighter in the app. You can create playlists in the app if you want it to go through several different things, not just the same thing. You can create a playlist and have it go through different things. Fully customizable, looks great, really cool. As you can see, just so many different things you can do with this and so many different ways you can use it. Whether you're promoting something, or you're a store owner and you're advertising something's on sale, or you drive for Uber or Lyft and you want to use it to call out the name of the person you're picking up. Just endless possibilities with this. Very cool, great for holidays or parties, things like that as well. Looks really good and works really great and has basically all the features you could imagine having in a really awesome LED matrix sign. Fully customizable, all those features. Really excellent product by VDIKKS, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions for me, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.